Are you looking for the top 5 best high-pressure handheld shower heads? Which high-pressure handheld shower head is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, AquaCare High-Pressure Shower Head. First up is the AquaCare High-Pressure 8-Mode Handheld Shower Head. What caught my attention was its promise of more water pressure and less cleaning at just $31.99. If you're tired of low pressure ruining your showers, this is worth a serious look. This shower head features an advanced 8-setting power head that's designed to prevent grime accumulation with self-cleaning anti-clog nozzles. That means you won't have to deal with reduced performance over time. It stays clean, which is a big win for shower hygiene. Plus, it has a built-in 2-mode tub and tile power wash. This can be a lifesaver when it comes to cleaning those hard-to-reach areas without stepping into the shower. It's designed for pet owners too, providing a gentle, effective rinse for your furry friends. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the flow could feel a bit restricted on certain settings, but honestly, I think that's a fair trade-off for the anti-clogging feature and the overall cleaning convenience it brings. If you're someone who values hygiene and ease of use, this might not be a deal breaker. This is perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone looking to elevate their shower experience without breaking the bank. But if you're just looking for the most basic shower head, you might want to skip this one. The value here is definitely solid for what you get. Now, if AquaCare's price point is a bit high for you, the next option I have may fit your budget while still keeping that high pressure you need. Product number 2, Basakwo Shower Head. Next, we have the Basakwo Shower Head for $29.95. The first thing that jumped out at me was its 10 functions, including a built-in pause mode. If you like options, this one's worth your attention. This shower head maximizes water pressure, even in low-pressure situations, thanks to its air intake. That means you can enjoy a stronger stream without the need for fancy plumbing upgrades. It's also designed with non-clogging nozzles, which is fantastic because it helps maintain that pressure over time. Plus, the installation is a breeze, taking only about 5 minutes without needing a plumber. This is great for anyone who wants a straightforward upgrade without hassle. However, a few users pointed out that the pause mode can be a bit finicky and not always reliable. But I'll be real with you, I think that's a minor inconvenience compared to the overall versatility and performance. If you're someone who shaves or soaps up during your shower, having that pause feature could still be a game changer. This is perfect for anyone who loves a customizable shower experience and values easy installation. But if you just want a straightforward, no-fuss shower head, you might want to look elsewhere. For the price, it presents great functionality. Product number 3, JDO High Pressure Shower Head. Now, let's check out the JDO High Pressure Shower Head, priced at just $20.97. I was drawn in by its 6 different spray options. If you want versatility without spending too much, this could be your pick. JDO uses upgraded air induction technology, which means even if your home has low water pressure, you'll still get a strong stream. This shower head features 6 different modes, including a pause mode, which is perfect for when you need to lather up without wasting water. The anti-clog nozzles are a nice touch as well, preventing buildup and ensuring a consistent flow. However, some users mention that the installation could be tricky for beginners, but honestly, with a little patience, you can typically handle it without much hassle. The quality and performance make it worth the effort, especially for those looking for a cost-effective solution. This is ideal for anyone who wants a customizable experience at a budget-friendly price. But if you're looking for something more luxurious or premium, you may want to keep looking. Overall, it delivers a lot of value for under $30. Product number 4, Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head. Next up is the Bozibo High Pressure Rain Shower Head combo, which runs for $52.99. What caught my eye was its magnetic docking feature. If you want that rain shower feel without sacrificing power, this is worth considering. This shower head has a square design that offers a larger coverage area, which is fantastic for full-body rinses. The 278 spray nozzles are designed to provide a smooth rainfall experience, and it even comes with a handheld option. You can switch between fixed and handheld modes, so it's like getting 2 shower heads in one. Plus, the strong metal magnetic docking ensures that it stays in place while in use. However, some users pointed out that the size can make it a bit cumbersome for smaller bathrooms. But here's the thing, if you have the space and want that spa-like experience at home, it's absolutely worth it. This is perfect for those who enjoy a luxurious shower experience and have the space for a larger setup. But if you're limited on space or prefer a simpler design, you might want to skip this one. The quality and experience. Product number 5, Bozibo High Pressure Dual Shower Head. Lastly, we have another product from Bozibo, the High Pressure Dual Shower Head, priced the same at $52.99. The dual feature is the standout here. If you want versatility with a touch of luxury, this one's a fantastic option. Similar to the previous Bozibo model, this one also boasts the magnetic docking for easy access and a seamless transition between shower types. It features 10 spray settings for customizable comfort, and with both fixed and handheld options, you can clean your bathroom or rinse off your pets with ease. The downside? Some users found that the settings can feel overwhelming if you're just looking for something simple. But honestly, that versatility can be a huge benefit for families or anyone who enjoys variety in their shower routine. This is perfect for those who want a premium shower experience with the flexibility to switch it up. But if you're someone who values simplicity over features, you might want to consider a more basic model. For what you get, the price is very reasonable. So there you have it. Each of these shower heads offers you. To wrap things up, we explored a range of high-pressure handheld shower heads today. From the AquaCare with its advanced hygiene features, to the versatile Bessaquo and JDO options, to the luxurious Bozibo models. No matter your needs, there's a shower head here that can enhance your daily routine. Choose wisely and happy showering!